kuwashukie na
Ngwatanĩro ya athikabu a kanitha wa Catholic kugerera muikarĩri gĩtĩ wao muthikabu munene wa Diocese ya Kisumu Morris Muhatia nĩyo yeca ikuhĩ kũruta ndũmĩrĩri ya gũkũmithia na kwagithia kĩene njino na irumi iria ikoretwo igĩkanĩrio nĩ atongoria mũingĩ-inĩ.
Give us a break. If you want to insult each other, look for some bunker underground in the earth. Go there, the two of you insult each other. When you finish, come back and join us in nation building.
Muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa ngwatanĩro ino muthikabu munene Morris Muhatia orĩtie atongoria maunire kanua ithegi tondu mĩario yao nĩreheire bũrũri gĩconoko gĩtangĩtarĩrĩka.
The children listening to you are shocked. The young people listening to you are traumatized because in you is represented the collapse of their aspirations for leadership. The adults listening to you are embarrassed. You are a poor representation of our generation, and we are struggling to identify with you.
Muthikabu Muhatia arauga mĩario ino nĩ kĩonereria kĩa atongoria magĩire mũingĩ gĩtĩo na matirĩ na rĩciria rĩa irima rĩrĩa ĩngĩikia bũrũri.
Not everything that crosses your mind must drop on your lips. Please exercise restraint. This country belongs to more than 50 million Kenyans and not only to yourselves. The verbal indiscipline we're experiencing is indicative of something worse. Please, let us respect each other. Let us have respect for our fellow brothers and sisters. You can disagree with people without insulting them. Disagreement is okay, but insulting each other in public is a disgrace.
Arauga mĩario ino nĩ ĩragithia gĩtĩo wabici ndũgĩruta ya president na gũtirĩ ũtiganu o wothe wa muonere wa maũndũ wagĩrĩirwo gũkinya atongoria ikĩro-inĩ iria cionekete ica-inĩ ikuhĩ.
You are embarrassing this great nation, this country, Kenya. We pray for you that you may be converted in leadership to lead the people to where God expects them to be, because these are the children of God. Kenya is loved by God, and we expect only the best from those people who have been chosen to represent us and to lead our country to greatness.
Ngĩribotera Inoro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.
milele na milele.